The ZDZA 1000W electric mountain bike boasts a powerful motor that allows riders to conquer steep inclines and reach impressive speeds, making it perfect for both commuting and adventure rides. Equipped with a substantial removable lithium battery, this electric bike offers a generous range of up to 40 miles, ensuring you won't run out of power during your journeys. With its 26-inch puncture-resistant tires and lockable front suspension, this bike provides a smooth and comfortable ride across various terrains from rocky trails to urban streets. The bike features an upgraded, colorful LCD display and 7-speed gears, enhancing your cycling experience with multiple riding modes tailored to different surfaces. Safety is a priority with its dual-disc braking system and stable triangular frame, supporting a maximum load capacity of 265 pounds and ensuring a secure ride. This bike comes mostly assembled, includes a 1-year warranty for peace of mind, and offers responsive customer service to address any concerns or questions.